Okay, this is an update. What I did, we knew we had an issue with number 6 plug, so took the cover off, took the bracket off, all that crap, and I found my problem. And I can only blame this on myself because I didn't check it after the heads came back from the machine shop. So to all you people out there, double check behind everybody, just so you'll know. These are the number 6 valves. We got one right here. It's just a little bit loose, but look at this one. Yeah. That bolt right there. Damn this light. Look at it. It has almost backed out completely. And of course the light ain't gonna stay where I want it to. Let me see. Oh shit. Dropping gas on myself. It burned. Okay. Where's my... There it is. Watch this. Yeah. See, she's turning by herself. Let's see how far she needs to go down. This light's really pissing me off. Oh, that's good. Look how far it just went down. I've got to retorque this. Hopefully nothing's stripped. I'm praying. Let's see about this one here. That one just needs a little bit. Okay. As you can see, always double check for yourself. Make sure everything is proper. I didn't double check. It's my own damn fault. But there you go. We're gonna get that tightened down and torqued. I'm gonna take the front back off, make sure that's right, and then we're gonna try again. All right.